Hey everybody, back with another all KILLSTAR lookbook, this time for some winter style inspiration. KILLSTAR is one of my very favourite fashion brands. I love their stuff. I often describe it as effortlessly stylish. And now I have a discount code which will get you 10% off, but only for the next couple of weeks. It's in the description box below. So here are some ideas to keep you warm while looking spooky this winter. So this is an any occasion kind of outfit for day-to-day stuff or university or parties. This is the super versatile Eleanor hood dress. It's laced up at the sides with ribbons. It has a huge hood with embroidered moon phases around it, which might be a bit hard to see thanks to my hair, and a big black moon on the back, also might be hard to see. It's comfortable and I've been wearing it heaps lately. It's perfect with stockings, or in this case thermal leggings underneath. To match the moon theme, I have on the new Eternal Eclipse platform boots that have a moon cut into the sole. They take some wearing in, but they're very comfortable. I'm also wearing Enneagram earrings and carrying the Bat Out of Hell bag. I fucking adore this bag. It's capacious and practical with a bat on the front that doesn't quite cross the line into looking silly. By the way, I'm wearing a thermal under everything, which makes it possible to wear lighter things on cold days. So what works really well over this or practically anything and has been a lifesaver for me recently is the 7th Seance Coat. It ties up with a belt at the waist, it has decorative straps at the shoulders and an oversized hood that's lined with the softest, warmest fur imaginable. The hood also has a huge fur trim which is detachable. It has a pretty pentagrammed patterned lining. I love this coat and wear it all the time now. You might also have noticed these big round lunar doll sunglasses, which I just love, which fitted nicely with the moon theme. Staying with casual and comfortable, this is the After Effect knit dress, something I have worn so many times. They're nearly sold out, but they're also available in plus size, which is nice. It's the most easy, cozy and super lazy long sweater dress. I've added a long scarf that was knitted by one of you ages ago. I still wear it all the time. Also looks cute with the platform boots. It's long, but I'm wearing pleather shorts underneath just in case. It's like the ultimate thing for lazy days where you still want to look spooky.
Priestess lies in the form of a pentacle, her head to the south and her feet to the
Moving on to something way more fancy, this is easily my favourite look from this video, featuring the fucking sumptuous hemlock velvet maxi dress. It has a really nice fitting shape, long witchy sleeves, a large hood, and a ribbon corseted up the back. I feel like I'm ready to be the best dressed at Black Mass. I matched it with the velvet Hello boots, my favourite boots of all time, and they're way more comfortable and easy to walk in than they look. I also wore this Athena choker, which I think is a unique design for a choker, but I will mention that it's very small, so I had to fasten it at the back with a ribbon. I also put on this matching set of Ankh earrings and necklace, and thought it worked well with the Bat Out of Hell bag. I'm going to be wearing this to festivals or on dates for sure. I fucking love this. Less fancy but still velvety, I wanted to turn the Adora velvet crush dress into something for cold days, so I put on a long velvet skirt underneath, which it probably didn't need, it would have been cute on its own anyway, and paired it with the thick, warm and woolly Diana shearling jacket. This jacket is the warmest I've ever had and I have had heaps of use from it. It has embroidered moons and pentagrams on, which also matches the boots, and a cozy woolly lining. I thought the Athena choker looked good with the strappiness of the dress. This is the kind of thing that I'd wear if I were going to visit friends or family.
these are the directions.
Lastly, back to casual everyday stuff. This is the Helen Harlow sweater, something else I've been wearing the shit out of. It's all distressed along the bottom, laces up at the front, and has an unusual separated neckline. It's cozy, comfortable, and very cool. And it's not often I wear trousers, but I do like these ones. They are Baphomet Speed jeans with this awesome black on black Baphomet pattern. I'm also carrying the 7th Seance Coat again, but this time with the fur removed. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do let me know which outfit or thing was your favourite, and do take advantage of that discount code while it's valid. Enjoy the rest of your week, and as always, take care of yourselves, be nice to each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
These are the directions from which come the necessary power from which come